Okay, we are now down to our second part, calculation of the natural frequency and the period. Actually, the determination of the Mochi factor again as well is kauban na ni sila no. Makuha ni well, you're going to solve or calculate for the Mochi factors. Makuha na sa nimo along the way si frequency and period. And this is the steps again. First is the determination of the stiffness matrix and the mass matrix. And then we're going to get this one, the difference of the stiffness matrix minus the omega squared times the mass matrix. After getting that one, we are going to get the determinant, and then we can calculate the mode shape and then finally sketch the mode shape. So let's start with the first step, determination of the stiffness matrix and the mass matrix. So let's take note that our equivalent, so kaninga stiffness na itong magamit diri dapat are the equivalent stiffness. So we have the equivalent stiffness for the first floor, equivalent stiffness of the second floor, and equivalent stiffness of the third floor. If you remember, if we go back to our katong pag-determine ganina to sa equation, matikod mo aning apart. Diba, this is the stiffness matrix for two-story. So that is K1 plus K2, negative K2, negative K2, and K2. Kung nyo natanaw, naka-pattern na siya. Kung 3-story, that will become K1 plus K2, K2 plus K3, and then natin negative K2 diri, negative K2, and negative K3, negative K3, and K3, positive K3. How about katong may sulod? Automatic 0. How about pag 4-story? So, matik na siya. Tanan diagonals, that is the addition or na katong added ba? Except lang pinakaubos, of course, that will become just K4. And then, ang gawa sa diagonal, that will become negative. So, negative K2, negative K2, negative K3, negative K3. And then we have the negative K4, negative K4. This is for 4-story. And then the rest is just 0. We cannot write down na basta kay mo na siya, 0 na. How about for the mass matrix? Kung yung tanawin mo na yung pattern ni mass matrix, di ba? Kung 2-story, yan na. Kung 3-story, okay, wait lang. Nonsa na ito ning pattern. M1, M2, M3. And then the rest ana 0 na matik for the mass matrix. How about kung 4-story? Again, ang pattern ana is naaragis diagonal M1, M2, M3, and M4. And then the rest is 0. The rest is 0. So again, in the stiffness matrix, ang diagonal is motong na K1 plus K2, K2 plus K3, K3 plus K4, so on and so forth. Yan na, etc. So let's go back sa ito ang determination of the stiffness matrix. So we have our equivalent stiffness for the first floor, second floor, and third floor. So again, since this is a 3-story, ang itsura niya sa stiffness matrix is nga ni K1 plus K2, so diagonal lang, K2 plus K3, and positive K3. The rest is just negative. Negative K2, negative K2, anang apart, and negative K3, and negative K3 on this part. Tanan way sulod, automatic 0. So muna siya nga kuhaan sa nato si K1 plus K2. We just add the equivalent stiffness of the first and second floor. We have 32,199,963.05. And then K2 plus K3. So we just added this stiffness of the second and the third floor. We have 47,141,949.67 Newton per meter. Nga niya itsura, this is its form. And since we have already calculated this kaning naka-sum or naka-added ng parts, we can just write that there. And now we have our stiffness matrix. This is the stiffness matrix. Next is the mass matrix. So again, unsa gani pattern ni mass matrix? Diagonal. Just look at that diagonal. So the mass of the first floor, mass of the second floor, and then we have the mass of the third floor. The rest is 0. So our mass matrix for this example is in this form. So again, the diagonal is our masses. So kinsa tong mass gani? We have the 5,000 kilograms. The first floor, second floor, 2,500 kilograms, and third floor is 1,250 kilograms. Now, karon, depende man gina sa inyo ano. Ang akong ginabuhat ani is ang kinadak-an nga mass, but actually depende sa inyo, pwede kinadakan sa mass, pwede kinagamin sa mass. Pero sa nga wala mo hilabtan, it's up to you. Ang ginabuhat lang gid ani is ang kinadak-an nga value ni mass ako nang gina-factor out. That's why we have our 5,000 there. No, ato siyang gi-factor out. So kaya ato mo gi-factor out si 5,000, kani siya, this will become 1. This will become si 25 may mong 0.5. Si 1 to 50 will become 0.25. Ngano man, gi-factor out man nato si 5,000. So, since gi-factor out na to, gipagawas na to si 5,000, so murag gi-divide na to og 5,000 ang tanan na dira. So, purpose na kuha ni is, later, ato ni magamit si 5,000. Ma-divide siya sa whole equation. Kung ma-divide si 5,000 sa whole equation, imagine, kaning tag 32 million, mugamay na lang na siya. That's the reason, that's the purpose, or the rationale why I factored out 5,000 from the mass, kaning giuban nga mass matrix. Since we have our stiffness matrix and the mass matrix, diba, the very first step, we're going to proceed with our next step, which is getting the difference of the stiffness matrix minus omega squared times the mass matrix. So we're going to continue that in our next video.